So in today's class, we will discuss some more introduction, okay, or some more topics on this chapter time, okay. And so you should know these basics about clock and all, okay. See, first this clock is called as what, and this one is called as what? Any idea? Likit M. Gowda. Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this type of clock is called as what? That is left side is there, no? That one.
Sir, that is digital clock.
This one, man, left side. Any left side out barata.
Sir, it is.
Yeah. Okay. See, actually, this is.
Analog.
Yeah. Very good. See, this is digital clock, and this clock is called as
Analog.
analog. Yeah. Very good. Clear? See, this clock is called as analog clock, and this one is a digital clock. Okay. And as you all know, see, this smaller one is called as hour hand. Okay. And next, see, that is somewhat bigger, that is minute hand. Okay. And this one is second hand. Clear? So this is analog clock. Next, see, coming to the right side, this is digital clock. Okay. And see, this one indicates hours. And this indicates minutes. And this indicates seconds. See, you should know this basics. What is analog and what is digital? See, so many differences are there between this analog and digital. Don't worry about that one. That is out of the syllabus actually. For your age, it is not required. What is analog and what is digital? Suppose, like if you go for any engineering stream, okay, there they will teach this, what is analog. Okay, there you will come to know what is analog wave, what is digital wave. So many topics are there in engineering, and even you will come across in PU also, I think. In PU, first PU or second PU, you will come to know what is the meaning of analog signal and digital signal. Okay. For time being, understand this one. This clock is called as analog clock, and this type of clock is called as digital clock. Enough. Clear? Okay. We will move on to next. See, these are the units of time. 1 year is equal to, see, you should know this basics. Very important. You should know this basics. Very, very important. 1 year is equal to 365 days, or in a leap year, you will get 366 days. And last one, see, I missed out one more, I think. 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Clear? See, in Navodaya, they won't ask this milliseconds, but coming to the Sainik school exam, okay, they will ask everything. Sainik is different. Sainik exam. Okay. See, this is the basics, units of time. You can write it down. Okay. 1 year is equal to 365 days or 366 days. And 1 year is equal to, you know, this one, 12 months. And 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Okay. Suppose if it is a leap year, see, if it is ordinary year, then you will get 52 weeks. Getting? Ordinary year means 365 days. See, I will discuss that one later. What is ordinary and what is leap year? Okay. If it is ordinary year, then you will get 52 weeks. Okay. Yeah. Next, 1 week is equal to 7 days. And 1 day is equal to 24 hours. You know this one. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. See, suppose if it is a leap year, how many weeks means that is 52 weeks plus 2 days. This is for leap year. Try to understand. See, this is for a leap year. See, these informations are very important for Sainik school exam. Okay, see in Navodaya also they will ask this one, but in Sainik they will ask deeper. Deeper means you should know what you mean by leap year and how many weeks will be there in leap years. Okay, and how many extra days will be there. You should know all these things. Okay, clear. Coming to the ordinary year, see in ordinary year, 52 weeks and 1 day will be there, right? 52 weeks means you will get 364 days now, plus 1, that is 365. Clear? No doubts, I think. Okay. Very basic, very important. Okay. See, ನೀವು ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ suppose think you completed engineering. Okay. If you are applying for any kind of job, okay, their maths will be there. In that maths, they will ask this one. See, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನವೋದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸಿ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ FDA. FDA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ. And also in IAS exam they will ask this one. And also engineering complete ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, MNC ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಮ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನವೋದಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಐ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಫೈನ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರು ಸಿಸ್ಟರು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ an idea. Fine. See, in here 2 types are there. One is ordinary and one is a leap year. Okay, 2 types of years. One is ordinary, as I told, this is 365 days. This is normal year. Sorry. 365 days. And coming to the leap year, 1 day extra. 366 days. Why this extra means it will come in the February. February 29 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Ordinary year and leap year. Understood? Okay. Yeah, Kirtan, right. Okay, see, there is one question. Where this extra 1 day will come from? Okay. See here, 1 day extra is there, no? So why will take that one extra day? Can anyone explain that one? Leap year. Why that 366 days? Yeah. See, 4 years once it will come. Why? Anybody knows the reason? Rohini want to explain. Rohini knows that one. Okay. Fine. Yeah, Rohini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain.
Sir, the Earth takes to complete one revolution in
Mhm.
365 and quarter days.
Very good. See, yeah, can you repeat that one? I will write that one.
Sir, the Earth takes
Okay.
to complete one revolution
To complete one revolution
in 365 and quarter days.
the Earth takes to complete one revolution is how many days?
365 and quarter days.
365 quarter days. Okay, see here, what is the meaning of this one means? See, sun will be there. Okay, and Earth will be rotating, you know that one. Clear? Okay. See, same position ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗ್ rotate ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ position ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it will take how many days?
365 and quarter days.
Yeah, see 365, that is quarter days. Okay, see sun ಸುತ್ತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ you need 365 quarter days. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
and
see
it will
actually according to the scientist, okay, that is 365 days. You will write that one. 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds. See, this is the actual value, okay? And we will round it, that one. Round it means what we will do means, okay, we will take like this 365 days. And this 5 hours, 59 minutes means it is almost near to the 6 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we will do the rounding.
Just 1 minute quick.
Yeah, ಏನ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನ್ರಿ 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 seconds ಇದೆ. 16 seconds means how many seconds we are neglecting?
16 seconds, 40, 44.
Yeah, very good. See, we are neglecting these 44 seconds. Okay. So we are taking 365 days, 6 hours. Okay.
Okay.
6 hours is nothing but it is like this only. 365 days. See, in 1 day, 6 hours means that is quarter. Right?
Total 24 hours.
Yeah. So 6 by 24 means 6 ones are 6 fours are.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, and it will comes for every 4 years. So for 4 years, it will become 1 day. Quarter day, quarter day, quarter day.
Very good. See, for every 4 years once, 4 years once, okay. So leap year will come. What is the reason means? See, suppose if I take for first year, year 1, that is 365 days and 6 hours, no?
Yes, sir.
Second year, 365 days and 6 hours. And third year, 365 days
6
and
hours.
6 hours. And fourth one, 365 days and 6 hours. See, what we will do means, okay, see, we will combine all these 6 hours. Okay, so if you combine all 6 hours means how many hours it will become? 24 hours.
24 hours.
24 hours means what? One day.
Sir, 1 day.
Okay, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Yeah, see, 24 hours and it is 1 day. So this 1 day is extra. Okay, we are adding that 1 day to the last year.
February.
This 1 day is February 29. And also don't ask this one why they added to the February. Okay. Okay, actually I searched that one. Actually, that is based on calendar. Okay. See, calendar ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಗ್ರಿಗೇರಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಒನ್ ಡೇನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಗೆ
Okay, sir.
ಅಂಡ್
Sir,
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಿ
Diwali.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಓಕೆ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ so many theories are there for that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good, Rohini.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see, this is the story behind that one extra day. Clear? Okay, for every 4 years, 1 day will come, 1 extra day. Understood? See, you should know this one, okay? ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ 1 day ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And see, this one, what I told, no, this one is told by NASA. Okay, ಇದೇನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗು ನಾಸಾದವರು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾಸಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds. Okay, that is the exact one. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸನ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಈ ಅರ್ಥ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds. And how to calculate? See, this is very important. See, how to check whether it is a leap year or not. I think you know this one. See, how to check a leap year. You know this one, I think. No need to explain. Okay, see, if they give any year, suppose think I will take 2020. You need to check whether it is a leap year or not. Okay, how to check? Divide by 4. See, divide it by 4. Okay, see, 4 5s are 20. We will take 0 here. 4 5s are 20. Okay, so you will get a remainder as 0 here. If you get remainder 0, means it is leap year. Means it this number is divided by 4. 2020. See, I will take one more example. 2016. Okay, divide it by 4. Check this one. 4 5s are 20, 0, 4 4s are 16. See, 2020 is a leap year. And 2016 is also a leap year. And check for, check for 2021. See, this it will not divide by 4. Okay, see, 4 5s are 20. Bring these 2 down. Okay, 4 zeros are 0. Same thing, you will get 2 and take this 1 here. 4 5s are See, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So you can conclude like this. 2021. See, therefore 2021 is a ordinary year. So how to check leap year? Divide by 4. 4 in the divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Suppose if you get remainder 0, then that year is leap year. Clear? See, this is example 1. This is example 2. And this one is example 3. We checked for 3 years, that is 2020, 2016 and 2021. 2021 is not a leap year, it is a ordinary year. Means it consists of 365 days. How to check leap year means divide the year by 4. That is the logic. See, very important for Sainik and also for Navodaya exam. Remember this one, how to check leap year. Okay. See, in coming classes, we will discuss some problems on this one. Okay, leap year. Don't worry about the problems. Okay. We are having n number of problems. We will solve there. Fine. So we will move on to next one. Is this clear? No doubts, I think. Sir, why we have to divide by 4? Nidhi asking. See, for every 4 years, okay, it is coming, and see, we are getting that 6 hours, no? Okay, for 4 years we are adding that 6 hours. That's why we are dividing it by 4. Next leap year is 2024. Very good. Okay, so you can guess that one. You can add 2020 is a leap year, 2024 is a leap year. Okay, next 4 you can add. Next 2028 is a leap year. Yeah, Kruti, right answer. Very good. 2014 is a leap year. Okay. 2014 is not a leap year. I think it will not divide by. No. 2014 is not a leap year. Okay. Yeah, Sadhvi, she is having some doubt. Just a minute. Sadhvi Patil, yeah. Sadhvi, this is Sadhvi.
Noun, sir.
Sorry?
Noun in doubt, sir.
Yeah, what is the doubt?
Noun inside one doubt, sir.
Noun.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, food also a common noun, sir.
Yeah, common.
Sir,
That
I
was
am
the
late,
doubt.
that's why. No, sir, I am late, sir. That's why not understanding, sir.
You are asking this one, year, or you are asking noun?
No, sir. I am late, sir.
Okay. Got it. Fine. Yeah. See, that food is a common there. Okay. Fine. Yeah, Nidhi. That is the multiple of 4. Likit Gowda 4, 2032. Yeah, that is a leap year. Okay. See, leap year means you will get 366 days. Remember this, huh? One extra day. Okay, fine. We will move on to next one. See, this is the conversion. Okay, you should know this conversion. Okay. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ನೀವು. See, these are the very basic things. Especially in Chinese school, they will ask all these kind of problems. Okay. See, ನವೋದಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೈನಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. I will explain this one, don't worry. See here, in first one, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Remember this one. Remember this logic. See, remember this logic. When you are converting bigger to smaller, do the multiplication. Got it? Write this one. When you are converting bigger unit to the smaller unit, means, see here, you can observe hours to minutes, right? Hours to minutes. Hour is bigger, minute is smaller. In that case, you need to multiply. Okay. And suppose if you are converting smaller to bigger, then use the division. Clear? And see, now you can see the first box here. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Suppose if you are converting hours to minutes, multiply with 60. Understood? And suppose if you are converting minutes to hours, then divide it by 60. Clear? See, this arrow mark should be like this only. Okay. Opposite ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Write the arrow mark like this. Okay. And this one also. See, write this one. Write all these boxes. See, we are going to solve the problems on this. Okay, write down this one. Write all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in second, we are converting days to hours and hours to days. In third one, we are converting weeks to days and days to week. And in the fourth box, we are converting year to months and months to the years. Okay. And last one, we are converting minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. Write down this one, don't worry. Okay. I will explain the things. With example, I will explain. See, I am observing some students, okay? They are not at all interested. I don't know why. See, if you want to achieve something, okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋರ್ಗು ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಿಂಗ್. ಓದೋದನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, after your PUC, you are not going to get anything. ಆರಾಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ, ಇವ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇವನು IAS ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. And see, this is the right time. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಂದು MTech ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಈ ತರ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. Okay, see, I will move on to next now. Over this one. ಧ್ರುವ, ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ನೀನು. ಧ್ರುವ, ತಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಂಥರ. ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಧ್ರುವ, ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಲೆಗೆ? ನಿನಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ನಿನಗೆ ದಂಡಂ ದಶಗುಣಮ ನಿನಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ ತಾತ ಅವ್ರು ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಏಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಲೇ ನೀನು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಹಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅವನ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಅವ್ರ ತಾತ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೇನೆ ಬರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, fine. See here, we will solve some problems here. Take down the problems. Here we are converting hours to minutes and minutes to hours. Clear? We are converting hours to minutes and minutes to hours. See, I will ask. Anybody there? Aditya M.
Sir, first one 18 minutes.
Esta?
Sir, 18.
First question.
Yes, sir.
See, we need to convert
Hours to minutes.
hours to,
Minute.
yeah, hours to minutes means what we need to do?
Sir, hours na ಇದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 hour ಗೆ 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
We need to multiply 3 with 60, no?
Sir.
How much you will get?
Sir,
3 into 60.
18 sir. 18.
Zero ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ ಕಂದ? 180 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood first one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, second one. Again,
Sir,
same thing, hours to minutes.
Yes, sir.
What we need to do?
Sir, into 60 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir.
Very good. See, hours to minutes. Hours is bigger and minutes is smaller. That's why we are taking multiplication. 60 into 4 is how much?
Sir, 16 to 4 to 240.
Very good. Yeah, third one.
120 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
See, minutes to hours. Remember,
Yes, sir.
this is minutes to hours.
16.
What we need to do first? Minutes is smaller and hours is bigger.
Sir, minutes is smaller, hour is bigger.
Yeah, we need to do multiplication or division.
Sir, division.
Division by, okay, divide by 60.
Yes, sir.
120 is there. Okay. So if you divide it by 60, what you will get? Use the cancellation method, man.
Yes, sir. Sir, 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
0 cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ 12 by 6 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 12 by 6 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
12 by 6 cancel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ sir. Sir, ಇದು 2 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Tension ಆಗ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲೋ. Aditya, you are getting tension. Okay, yeah, fourth one.
360.
300 minutes. Minutes to hours.
360 plus 60. 60, 12. Sir, ಇದು 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 50.
Hey, 300 divided by cancel ಮಾಡ ನೀಟಾಗಿ.
300 divided by 300. cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sir, 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ 5 hours. Understood?
Yes, sir.
ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ಬಹಳ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ.
Okay, sir.
See, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100% ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್. Your notes and your homework are very important. Clear? This one? Nidhi is sending all the answers. Okay, very good, Nidhi. Tanmay Gowda is sending. Okay, very good. Purvik is sending. Very good. Okay. Purvik, Nidhi, Rohini. Okay. Good, guys. Good. Yeah, next one. See, this is, we need to convert minutes to seconds. They are given minutes here, 2 problems. See, minutes and here minutes. We need to convert it into seconds. Okay. So you can send me the answers. Send me the answer for this. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. All the 4. First do the multiplication and then division. First 2 multiplication and second 2 division. Kushal has got it right. I will solve, okay? Don't worry. Try this one. Lohit Tanma, right answer. New try ಮಾಡಿ, okay? I will solve this one. Nibish Harsha, right? Netra, wrong. Okay. Ganvi, wrong. Send me all answers. Yuvraj, right? Jivan Nayak, right? Okay. Harichandan, no, wrong. Yuvraj, right answer. Rohini, right answer. Kushal Gowda, are right. Chandana, what is that? 3, 720. Oh, okay. Yeah, Chandana, right, I think right. No, 30 minutes. No, you won't get 30 minutes. Mithun, right answer. Rohit, right answer. Very good. Mithun, right answer. Chiranjeevi, right. And this Suraj, yeah, Suraj, right answer. Suraj, very good. Harichandan, no. Tanmay Gowda, right answer, very good. Chintana, very good. Chintana, no. Chintana, check last one. Okay, Dhanvita, right answer. Shashank, BR, right answer, very good. Shashank. Nishchit, right answer. Hamsa, right. Bhuvan Chandra, no. Ullas, right answer, very good. Ullas, Dheeraj, right. Dhruva, very good. Himavarsha, very good. Navami, very good. Right answer. Dhruva, right. Adya, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. Yeah, right. Adya, I think it is right. I don't know. English ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಮ್ಮ ನೀನು. Vishruta, right answer. Yeah, right. Very good, Vishruta. Zimad, right answer. Zimad send all the answers. Okay, Karthik Sagar, right. Sumadura, right answer. Very good. Chintana, right. Chintana, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡು. ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಡ್ತಾ? Kushalyam, right. Chintana, no. Adityayam, no. Check second one, Adityayam. Milind, send me all the four. Chandana, right answer, very good. Nidhi, no. Check second one. Kirtan Kumar, right answer, all are right. Yashas, all are right. Kaushik, yeah, right answer, Kaushik. Chintana, hey, Chintana, tala kettide ninge. Akrut, right answer. Check last one, Chintana. Okay, Tanmay, SH, all are right. Chumanna, yeah, right. Likit Gowda, yeah, right, all are right. Chintana, now it is right. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ? ಮಿಲಿಂದ್, ಇಶಾಕ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮಿಲಿಂದ್, ರೈಟ್. ಮೈಸ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಆದಿತ್ಯ AM, ರೈಟ್. ಹರಿಚಂದನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಗಾನ್ವಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಹರಿಚಂದನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಆದಿತ್ಯ M, ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು? 20 seconds, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 20 ಅಂತಾನ ಏನದು? ಜಿಮಾದ್, ಯಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಕುಶಾಲಂ, ರೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಕುಶಾಲಂ. ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಜೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ನೌ. ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Anybody there? Here is ಕುಶಾಲಂ, ಎಲ್ಲೋದಲ್ಲೇ? ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. Tanmay, you want to answer? Yeah, Tanmay, go ahead.
Sir,
First one, yeah.
sir, 360 seconds. First one.
Yeah, so minutes to seconds we need to convert. Okay, minutes is bigger and seconds is smaller, so multiply with 60. Okay, so 60 into 6 now, how much?
Sir, 360.
Yeah, very good. So 360 seconds. Second one, minutes to seconds.
Sir, minutes to seconds. Second one. Sir, 1 minute.
12 into 60. Rohit, go ahead, man. 60 into 12.
Sir, 60 into 12, 720 minutes.
20 minutes or seconds?
Sir, seconds.
Yeah. Third one.
Sir, 3 minutes.
Yeah, see here we are converting seconds to minutes. Seconds is smaller and minutes is bigger, so division. So divide by 60. 180 divided by 60 means how much?
3.
Very good. Yeah,
Sir,
last
4
one.
minutes.
Say seconds to minutes, divide it by 60. So 240 divided by 60 means how much?
Sir, 4.
6 for the, yeah. Very good, Rohit.
Thank you, sir.
Clear this one? Everyone? Minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. Okay. Next. Here weeks to days and days to weeks. See, we are getting time. Okay. We are getting run out of time. I will ask. Okay. Or else you will send or what? Yeah, Nidhi, right. Kushal S. Gowda. Okay, right. Jeevan Nayak, right. Em first abutira? Okay. Chiranjeevi, right. Yuvraj Gowda, right. Okay, Vishruta, right answer. Ganvi, JM, right. Rohini, right answer. Rohini antu full type ಮಾಡ್ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾಳ. Chandana, right answer. Yeah. Akrut, right. Harichandan, right. Kushal Gowda are right. Harichandan, right. Ganvi, right. Harsha, no. Rakshita Gowda, right. Naomi, right answer. All are right, Naomi. Zimad, yeah, right answer. Kirtan Kumar, all are right. Harsha, right, all are right. Kirtan Kumar, yeah, right. Rohit, right. Mithun, right answer. Kruti, yeah, right, I think, right. Okay. Ullas, all are right. Zimad, right. Kanavi. Send all at once. Yeah, Dheeraj, right. Samanvita, right answer. Himavarsha, yeah, all are right. Himavarsha, very good. Ishak, no, what you are sending, man. Nibish and Harsha, right. Tanmay, right answer, very good. Aditya, Yam, all are right, very good. Aditya, M, all are right. Chumana, what is the 350 days? Suraj, all are right. Danvita, all are right. Tej Kiran, all are right. Kushal, M, right answer. Chintana, right. Likit J, right. All are right. Likit M, Gowda, all are right. Prithvika, all are right. Yeah. Arshit Kumar, all are right. No. Arshit Kumar, third one is wrong. Tanmay SH, no, third one is wrong. Hamsa, right. Akrut, second one is wrong. Nidhi, all are right. Mais, all are right. Send me slowly. Chitra, all are right. Why are sending like this? Sumadura, all are right. Shashank, we are all right. Okay, I will ask now. Just a minute. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. Kirti, can you answer? No. Kirti Lata. No idea or what? Yeah, Kirti. You can unmute Kirti. Wait. Unmute once again. Yeah.
Sir,
What is the answer for first one?
first one, the answer is 21 days, sir.
So we are converting bigger to smaller, means multiply with, say, weeks of,
Multiplications,
yeah, multiplication. So weeks means 1 week means how many days?
7 days, sir.
Yeah, very good. So 3 into 7 means how much?
3 into 7 is 21, sir.
So answer is 21 days.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Second one, how
Yes,
much
sir.
you got?
35 days, sir, I got.
Wait, I will write everything here. See, since it is beginning, I am writing all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
5 into 7, that is 35 days.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What about fourth one? Sorry,
Fourth one,
third.
we should do a division, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, third one, we should do a division, sir.
Very good. So days to week, no?
Yes, sir.
Divide by what?
We should divide a 24 hours.
No. So see, we need to divide by 7.
Okay, sir.
49 divided by 7. Why? Because days to week. How much you will get? 49 divided by 7.
7 we got, sir.
Yeah, 7 sevens are 49. So 7 weeks, no?
Yes, sir.
Answer is 7. Okay, last one.
3 weeks I got, sir.
Yeah, 7 threes. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
You are from which school or which place? I don't know.
I am in Hiriyur Place, Rashtriya Academy School, sir.
Oh, okay. Rashtriya Academy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Kirti Lata.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. So you should know all these basics, okay? These are very basics. Yeah. See, since it is beginning, I am writing all the things, okay? ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Shall I move on to next? Yeah. Years and months. We need to convert. See, I have given the clue here. Years in the months ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Year in the month ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ multiply by 12. Why? Because 1 year is equal to 12 months. And see, this symbol should be like this. Reverse ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. Change this one. Find out the answer. Okay. Years and days. So many are there. Okay. We'll do it fast. Say, I will do one thing. Okay. I will ask individually better. It is getting late. Just a minute. I want to ask. Chitra, ready? Don't worry. I won't ask now. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask you. ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಜೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 years ಇದೆ 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 24 months.
24 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ 36
into 12 36.
Yes, sir.
12 3s are 36.
Yes, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ into
5
12.
years ಗೆ ಸರ್ 5 years ಗೆ 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, 12 5s are
60.
okay, very good. Yeah, what about third one?
48 months.
Divide by 12.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
48 divided by 12 is how much?
Sir, 4.
12 4s are 48, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, last one.
Sir, 3 years.
36 divided by 12.
Yes, sir.
3 years.
ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್?
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು.
ನೀವೊಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಳಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ, ಬೆಟರ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. Okay. See, anyhow, this year will goes by online only. Okay. Online classes ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ತಗೋ, ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಟೇಕ್ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. ರೋಹಿಣಿ, ನಿನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಳಮ್ಮ. ಕೇಳ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಕೇಳಿ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ ಅಲ್ಲೇ? ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದೆಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊ, ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆರಾಮ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾ ಏನಂತೀಯ? ಎಂತೆಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ. ವೇಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಧೀರನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯನಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್. ನೀನ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ ಕಣಪ್ಪ. ಏನೋ ಧೀರನ್, ಹಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೇಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್, ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಧೀರನ್. ಯಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್.
Sir, 3 days. 3 days.
ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು. ಒನ್ ಡೇಗೆ 24 hours. ಓಕೆ,
Sir.
ಸೊ ಡೇಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್?
Sir, I joined late, sir.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ನೀನೇನು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಸಾದಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು.
Sir.
ಯಾ 3 into 24 ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡು. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಧೀರನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ?
Sir, better you give to another one, sir.
Okay, you are from which place, man?
Sir?
Which place?
Sir, Bangalore.
Bangalore. Which school?
Sir, Cambridge.
Cambridge. Okay, fine. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರ ಕಣ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ತರುಣ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನ? ಹಾ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಏನ ರೋಹಿತ್? ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನಾ? ಯಾ ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ.
Sir, 3 days.
How many hours you will get?
Sir, 3 days. Sir, years
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Sir,
ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ನನಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹರಿಚಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ? ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು? ನವಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ? ನವಮಿ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
Sir, first one the answer is 72, sir. 24 into 3 is 72, sir.
Second one.
Sir, second one, 24 into 5, 120, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Third
third one, sir, 24 into 2 is 45, sir. 48 divided by 2, sir. 24, sir. Third one,
Third one ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ?
3, sir.
Hey,
3 days, sir.
48 divided by 24 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 24 ಡಬಲ್
Sir,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
2, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ
2, sir. Sir, 48, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್.
Next one, sir. 3, sir.
Yeah, very good. 72 divided by 24 is 3.
Yes, sir.
Good. Naomi. Ababa, all are sending Putvika, Nidhi, Kruti. Yeah, right answer. See, last one is there. Yeah, this is the last one. We will complete this one and we'll move on to quiz, okay? We are getting late, I think. Okay, see, this is the last one. This is somewhat difficult, okay? Hours to seconds. See here, I will give you logic. First one, multiply by 3600. Why? Because see here, observe this one, hours to seconds. Hour in the minutes adre multiply by 60. Hour to seconds means, say, remember like this. Hours to minutes means, that is multiply by 60. Again, means to seconds means again 60. So 60 into 60 is 3600. Hours in the seconds ke convert madbekandre multiply by 3600. Again, this is also same 3600. And this one divide by 3600. And this one divide by 3600. Okay. Who is going to answer? Yeah, Kushal S. Gowda. Kushal S. Gowda, ninge kanapa.
Sir,
First one ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
sir, 7,200.
Yeah. Next one.
Sir, 10,800.
Next one.
Sir, 1 hour.
Yeah. Next one.
Sir, 2 hours.
Okay. Very good. Kushal. Okay. See, I will stop here. Understood this one? Remember this one. See here. If you want to convert hour to seconds, see, by at this one. Hours to seconds. Multiply by 3600. If you convert seconds to hours, divide by 3600. Okay. See, some are facing difficulties in division. I know that one. Okay. And some students don't know 2-digit division, 3-digit divisions. Okay. See, in the later classes, I will explain that one. Don't worry. Getting? See, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see ಈ ತರ 7200 divided by 3600. See, they don't know how to do this one. Okay. I will explain this one in the later classes. Got it? Don't worry about this division. Okay. They know only single digit division, I think. Okay. Some student, I am telling, not all. Some students don't know this one. I will explain this division, okay, in later classes. Don't worry about that. Fine. So I will stop here. We will play one quiz. Quiz will be on conversion. Remember, quiz topic is conversion. And I will send these notes to your WhatsApp group. Okay. Complete the notes. See, notes ಎಲ್ಲ complete ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay.